Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering how to build a strong personal brand in life and at work, how to market yourself. So let's dive in. Have you thought of yourself as a brand before? What do you represent? What is your brand? Building a strong personal brand is super important in both your personal and professional life. We covered it on a high level back on episode 1 on how you are the ultimate brand with three key takeaways, but today we're diving into it. Once you master your personal brand, it will open doors for you never knew existed. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Let's summarize. We are identifying, reflecting, and refining our personal brand in our life and at work. The three key points into doing so are: 1. Reflect and introspect. Take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you. Your values will shape your actions, decisions, and how others perceive you. 2. Have a positive and realistic mindset and continuously work on yourself. Believe in yourself, focus on your strengths and your potential, and embrace failures as learning experiences. It's also important to stay realistic. And 3, be consistent and authentic in the way that you present yourself to the world, whether it's in your online profiles or your in person interactions. Make sure there's a common thread that ties everything together. So stay true to yourself, embrace the power of positivity and authenticity, and share your story. Now go out there and conquer the world and tell me your stories. These were some steps and examples on how to build a strong personal brand in life and at work. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering personal development strategies, continuous growth for success. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.